New year, new phones, and Samsung just unveiled its newest lineup of smartphones during its Galaxy Unpacked event, and I've got early hands-on access with the devices, so I'm going to tell you everything I know about them and what new updates they bring.
Okay, so as always, you've got three options: the S25, the S25 Plus, and of course the showstopper, the S25 Ultra. All three pack 12 GB of RAM, smooth 120Hz AMOLED 2X displays, and 12 megapixel selfie shooters. But the biggest difference between the three models is the cameras. The S25 and the S25 Plus stick to a familiar triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto lenses. The S25 Ultra though features a new 50 megapixel ultra wide camera upgraded from last year's 12 megapixel for sharper group shots and enhanced landscapes. It retains a 200 megapixel main camera and adds a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens and a 10 megapixel telephoto. Samsung even showed off its AI zoom features, and they looked seriously impressive. The Ultra also stands out with its size. It has a slightly bigger 6.9-inch screen, making it the largest in the lineup. It keeps the same 5000 mAh battery as last year, but introduces a new flat frame design with rounded edges, a departure from the sharper corners of the S24 Ultra. The titanium frame with the improved Corning Gorilla Armor 2 adds extra durability, and it's lighter and thinner this time. As expected, the Ultra comes with the iconic S Pen, but there aren't any noticeable upgrades here. The color options for the Ultra include titanium silver blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, and titanium grey, while the S25 and S25 Plus offers shades like navy, silver, shadow, icy blue, and mint.
Now, all three phones will be running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and guess what? India is getting that same variant. And of course, we've already tested the Snapdragon 8 Elite on phones like the iQOO 13, on the OnePlus 13, and also, of course, the Realme GT7 Pro. So you can expect some killer performance from the S25 Ultra and the other S25 phones running the same chipset.
Now, all three phones run Android 15 with One UI 7. Samsung's Galaxy AI integration adds some cool features like the audio eraser that can automatically isolate sounds from different sources in a video. Overall, the new lineup looks great, but the hardware upgrades feel more like small tweaks than major leaps. Also, Samsung hasn't officially announced the Indian prices yet, but the leaks suggest the lineup could start at 84,999 rupees, with the S25 Plus priced at 1,04,999 rupees and the S25 Ultra possibly reaching 1,34,999 rupees, showing a noticeable price hike from last year.
Now, we will be bringing you a full review of all these smartphones, so do stay tuned. But if you like this video, make sure to like and make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.